Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, we will need this little thing right over here. It comes provided with the device in the box, and it's used to eject the tray. Now if you can't find it, you can always use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you got one of the other, I'm gonna take out the case. And the tray is located on the upper left side of the device. You can see where the pin is holding right now. So once you find it, simply push it in. The tray will pop out, as you can see. And from here you can take out the tray. And in here you have space for SIM card and SD card, one of each. Now the SD tray is actually interchangeable, so you could slap in a SIM card on it, so you could use two different SIM cards and basically have no space for SD card. But if that is something that you want, then well, you have the option too. But assuming you're using one of each, simply place them like so. Make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, and from there you want to insert it back into the device. There we go. Oh, so it changed to pin. Now I do have a pin on my SIM card, that's why this is popping up with the enter pin for SIM. So let me do that, and then I will need to also unlock the device. And there we go. So obviously the SIM card is working. And also let's get a quick look for our SD card, and you can see right here that SD card is working as well. So that is how you would insert both SIM card and SD card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.